I'm going to be showing you how to turn off auto emoji on Discord in your iPhone. So on Discord for iPhone, you can't fully turn off auto emoji the way you can on desktop, but you can stop most of the automatic emoji behavior. So here's what you can do. You can stop emoji autocomplete pop-ups. So Discord Mobile does not currently have a toggle to disable emoji autocomplete entirely, but you can avoid it by typing the full word without pauses. And you can also send text instead of emoji. Discord keeps turning text into emoji. You can just put a backslash before it like this and just type in the emoji and it won't convert. You can also try disabling iPhone keyboard emoji suggestion. This helps if iOS is changing words into emojis, but it's mostly Discord as well. So in all of these ways, you can successfully turn off auto emoji on Discord in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.